So good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nitesh Gautam. I'm a consulting editor at Envoy Excellency magazine. And today we are here at this web platform to take an interview with Osama Gergori, Chief Executive Officer India, CHO Group. Hello, how are you? Welcome.
Hello, nice to meet you again.
Yeah,
It was a pleasure to meet you in India during my visit, and we are happy with this initiative from our ambassador to make this special edition for Tunisia, and we are happy to working with you on this.
thank you so much. And it is our pleasure to associate it with CHO Group for the participation in that special collectible edition on Tunisia. And before going further for the interview, let me give you a quick brief about our Envoy Excellency magazine. So Envoy Excellency magazine is a monthly magazine backed by DN Media Group, and we specifically cover diplomatic community worldwide, foreign and national affairs, culture, tourism, trade articles, on events of national and international level. And Envoy Excellencies directly reach out to the ministries, diplomatic mission in India, Indian missions overseas, a multilateral chamber of commerce, Apex Chamber of the Commerce, and corporate houses across the world. So let's start with the interview.
Yes.
So my first question is, tell us about the CHO group. How did it come into existence? What are its vision and mission?
So, CHO Group start in 1996 with a small traditional mill and built all the group dynamic about the blessed tree, which is the olive tree. So, with the know-how of more than 20 years now, so we worked on, especially on the perfect integration of all kind of activities included in olive oil sector. So, and we worked then on our presence in the international market. So we are present now in more than 40 countries all over the world. And this is the idea, is to promote the Tunisian olive oil and to make people around the world knows about this this product and the quality of Tunisian olive oil. So through our flagfish brand, which is Terra di Lisa, CHO Group make the strength of the image of Tunisian olive oil in general. And we believe also that we have our place in Indian market, and we are working on this, and this is match exactly with our vision and mission.
Thank you. So moving to my next question, how difficult was it to achieve the level of success?
So now the position of CHO Group today is certainly the result of the continuous work of its human capital. So the advantage of CHO Group is to make the valuable collaboration between all the players in olive oil sector, and we are continuously asking ourselves with how to improve this services, how to improve this product, how to make the Tunisian product in general and olive oil especially, and to make the world, the whole world, have to make the Tunisian olive oil having a good position in the world.
Okay. So my next question is, according to research, India's olive oil market is expected to grow by 10% in terms of volume. How do you plan to capitalize this for your olive oil brand?
Believe me, before we decided to enter to India market, we make a lot of research in Asia market in general. And we decided to enter the Asia market through the Indian gate. And there is two reasons especially. The first one is the growth of this market, and the second one is the population. Especially after pandemic now, Indian people, they are trying to eat more healthy. They are trying to change their habit, and we believe that olive oil can match with this customer expectations.
Yes. So next question is, what will be your strategy to establish the Terra Delesa olive oil brand in India? Do you think it will be challenging?
You know, every new market is a new challenge. So there is no new market without a challenge. So the challenge in the Indian market is to educate people about the olive oil because it's not in their culture, and there is many false idea about olive oil. Some people said that it's not good for cooking or it's not good for frying, and this is a false idea. There is many categories of olive oil that we can use it in many kind of kitchen or dishes, and every cuisine in India can really wonder with the use of olive oil, and it can match perfectly with the Indian kitchen.
Yes. Nice. So moving to my next question, Terra Delesa olive oil has received certification from NOOA, BRC, Passover, American Heart Association, ISO 22000, ISO 9001, ECOCERT. The list is endless. So, how do you achieve such celebrated milestones?
So actually, if we this is our vision. We want to promote the olive oil, Tunisian olive oil, all over the world. So now it's not an option to have certification. We collaborate with the well-known organizations and we match with all standards all over the world. This is to have the quality, to ensure the quality of the product for the customer first, and second also to allow us to penetrate all markets all over the world. So now certification, it's not an option, it's not a quality, just a quality standard, it's an obligation to allow us to work properly all over the world.
So, my last but not the least question is, would you like to give a message to the readers of Envoy Excellency magazine?
Yes, as I start, I want to thank our ambassador for this initiative, and my message is the same message that our Tunisian ambassador communicate. So the message is that the collaboration between our two countries, we believe that it's not only restricted at the collaboration we have now about fertilization and phosphate. We think that there is many other fields of collaboration, and it can be in the two sense, so from Tunisia to India or from India to Tunisia. And olive oil is one of these prospective fields that we think that in the few months or in the few next years, the Tunisian olive oil can have a very good presence in India market.
Yes, definitely. We hope like both the countries, Tunisia and India, will collaborate on different sectors, on especially on Tunisian olive oil.
Exactly.
Yeah. Thank you so much for providing us your valuable time to give us an opportunity to take a web interview with you. And
All the pleasure is for me, and thank you for this good work you make. And we hope that the collaboration start to going in the right sense now.
yeah, definitely. And for our audience, we will invite you to connect with us on our Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube channel. And I would also like you to engage with the Envoy Excellency website, and also encourage you to download Envoy Excellency mobile app from Play Store. And thank you so much. Thank
There
you.
is no problem. It's a pleasure for me to share this with you and with all your followers.
Yes, thank you so much.